In the previous lesson, we combined our tacos and burritos array into a single items array. And we also utilized a single food items component to render all of our components on screen, whether they be taco cards or burrito cards. And one of the advantages of this technical design is that it makes it very easy to shift around the order of our food items on the screen without needing to alter any other code in the app. And that, in my opinion, is a good sign that the way that we've structured our components is dynamic and flexible and adaptable to change. So for example, let's say tomorrow our product manager says, actually, we want to mix things up and we want to show the user a combination of tacos and burritos so that the user doesn't see them all together and rather just sees a whole bunch of food items all at once. Let's say we want an order of a taco, then a burrito, then a taco, then a burrito. Well, that process is as simple as simply ordering the objects within our items array. And because each one specifies the component that it should render, the code will continue to work. So let's say I want to move this burrito supreme burrito to be right here. Well, we can simply cut and paste this code and paste it right here. And we can similarly cut our final quesarito burrito and paste it right here between the Doritos Taco and the Soft Taco Supreme. And now, because our food items logic remains the same, which is calling the map method on this array and using each object-specific component property to know what to render, everything should still work. So now when we go into our browser, we'll see that we have that wonderful mishmash of burritos and tacos side by side. It kind of gives the UI a more fun feel because not everything looks the same, kind of bounces back and forth between the taco and the title versus the title at the top and then the burrito image. So it kind of has a much more fun feel to me if I saw a website like this, right? Obviously, some designers may disagree with me, but it just goes to show you that the way that we've structured our code is adaptable to change and very easily adaptable to change by simply shifting data around. And that, I think, is a good sign that our components are lightweight and have single responsibilities and are also very easy to adapt to new requirements, all right? So just something fun I wanted to show you in this lesson, and I will see you in the next one.